Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change login password on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. You guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then here, going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on settings once you're here. So again, you're going to click on account and security. So there's an option that says change login password. You're going to click on it. So first, they're going to ask you to verify your old login password. Then you're going to click on next. Then you're going to insert the verification code sent to your phone number. Then now you're going to insert your new password. So it should have the following characters. So as you can see, it fulfilled both the characters. Then you're going to click on next. So as you can see, our password has been reset successfully. This is important for security reasons. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.